Okay.
It's only for English batch.
Or no need to. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to Last Set Adda. This is Bharat Reddy, Reasoning and Arithmetic faculty. So due to some technical issue, again we are starting onwards. So look at this one. First question they have given that these are previous year questions only. They have given in law exams 2023, 22 and 21. So we are discussing here. So first question they have given that BF is equals to ZK, LP is equals to dash. Look at this question. This question is belonging to analogy. This is belonging to reasoning point of view. So in the reasoning point of view, first four chapters like number series, letter series, and coding and decoding, analogy, and odd one out. These four topics are very, very important one. Especially in last set point of view, every time we are getting 3 to 4 questions based on these four chapters only. So whenever we are solving these questions, always you need to remember that place value of the alphabet is very, very important one. Always you need to focus on place value. Look at this one. First question they have given that BFGK. Next, what is the code for LP? So whenever you are solving this question, always you need to focus that what is the logic behind this one. So always you need to focus that whatever the logic existed in first half, you need to apply for the second half. And one more thing you need to remember that no need to write down each and every place value directly. You can check that only one thing. So look at this one. B place value is 2, G place value is 7. Difference between these two is equal to how much we are getting 5. In the same manner, you can apply this logic for first alphabet. First alphabet is L, L place value is 12. If I apply with the 5 place here, so I am getting this value is equal to 17. 17 place value is equal to Q. Now you need to check that how many options were started with the Q option. So look at this one. Q started with only one option, that is 2. So our answer is 2 is the right answer. No need to work out for second one also. So in the examination point of view, this is very, very important, especially reasoning and arithmetic, both are logically related questions. So no need to work out complete solution here. Without working complete solution also, we are getting answers here. Look at this one, JK, QU, next VW, RQ. So options were started with the Q. So how many options started here? Only one option, that is the right answer. For example, if you want to cross check with whether that is right or wrong, look at this one. Now you need to check with the second one also. Second place value for F is equal to 6 here. So K place value is equal to 11. Difference between these two is equal to how much we are getting? 5 only. For example, if I apply the same way, so P place value 16, 16 plus 5 is equal to how much we are getting? 21, 21 place value is U. Look at this one, QU. So we got QU is the right answer. But in the examination point of view, always you need to remember that no need to work out complete solution. By applying only one logic, we are getting answer. Through options, you can find out the answer. That is the very, very important. That is very, very important for any competitive exam. Whatever it may be, whether you are preparing law, otherwise any other job guarantee programs also, always you need to focus in this. For example, in previous year, we got one more question. Look at this one more question point of view. So next question is, look at this one. They have given that one more question. Blood is coded as 23113. Next one, they have given that this value is equal to next one. Which value they have given? Blood is coded as 23113. Breast is coded as 20678. What is the code for robust? So whenever you are solving coding and decoding point of view, we are getting most of the questions based on 3 types only. One is letter based coding and decoding, second one is number, and third one is analysis. This is belonging to analysis. How to check whether it is analysis or not means, look at this one. O is repeated how many times? 2 times repeated. Code is also repeated 2 times. Look at this one, 1 1. So O repeated 2 times, 1 1 is also repeated 2 times is nothing but directly you can analyze. So B is coded 2, L is coded 3, O is coded 1, again O code is 1, D code is 3. Now you need to directly apply whatever the codes here they have given. You can apply for the question also. Look at this one, B code is 2. So B position is third position. Third position must be 2. Now you can check with the answers which option is occupied with third position 2, means look at this one, except the second option no other options are ended with the third position as a 2. So our answer is 2 is the right one. Just 5 to 10 seconds you can work out any question in the examination. In this way you need to prepare. In the classroom session I will explain each and everyone how to work out whenever analysis, coding and decoding they have given. True analysis questions also we will get at that time, how to do this one. But better you can work out in the examination point of view, option based you can work out. That is the most important for any successful candidate. So always you need to focus that whenever you want to success, always you need to focus that techniques are very very important compare with the subject. So in the classroom session I will discuss both the subject as well as techniques, but you need to work out these techniques in the examination. So always this is the very very important for any competitive exam, whatever you are preparing, whether it is competitive, otherwise whether it is a job guarantee programs also, that thing very very important. Now coming to third question, look at this one. Third question they have given that, look at this one. Third one is a bag equal number of, a bag contains equal number of 1 rupee, 50 paisa, 25 paisa coins. If the total amount in the bag is 35, how many coins of each type are there? This is belonging to ratio and proportion question. Arithmetic point of view, every time we are getting ratio and proportion in the examination, at least one question in law examination. Whatever it may be, other competitive exams also, ratio and proportion point of view, we are getting n number of questions, very important one, that thing. So always you need to focus that whenever a question is given 1 rupee, 50 paisa and 25 paisa, you can convert each and every one into same type. Ratio is nothing but comparison of a same type. Same type is nothing but 1 rupee is equal to how many paisa? 100 paisa. And 50 paisa is nothing but already they have given that 50 paisa. 25 paisa is nothing but 25 rupee. Now you can cancel these terms. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 25 fours are. Now ratio is equal to 4 is to 2 is to 1. But amount point of view, we are getting ratio 4 times of 2 times of 1 time. But total amount, how much they have given here? 35 rupees they have given. It means 7 unit value is equal to 35, means 1 unit value is equal to how much here? 7 5s are 35. Now you can multiply here. 25 paisa coin worth is equals to 5 rupees. 50 paisa coin worth is equals to 10 rupees. 1 rupee coin worth is equal to 20 rupees. Now question they are asking to find out that how many kinds of each type are there, they are asking. Now the question they are asking to find out the types of question is nothing but here we need to find out the number of kinds. If the total amount in the bag 35, how many kinds of each type are there, means look at this one. 20 rupees is nothing but how many kinds we require? 20 kinds only. 1 rupee kinds we need to find out that only 20 kinds only. Next coming to 10 rupees is nothing but how many coins we need to require this value? 20 into every coin is equal to 2 rupees is nothing but 20 coins we need to require. Next coming to this value is equal to, look at this one, worth point of view, we need to check that they have given that 1 rupee 50 paisa a bag. Okay, total number of coins they have given. Look at this one, we need to convert this one into money point of view. Money point of view is nothing but these are coins point of view. Money point of view, we need to find out that these are coins is nothing but, look at this one, value point of view, we got this one, we need to convert this one into coins point of view. 1 rupee is nothing but how many coins required? 4 coins. How many coins required? 2 coins. How many coins required? 1 coin only. So look at this one, 1 is 2, 2 is 2 is nothing but 2 into 2 is nothing but how much we are getting? 4 rupees only. So 4 is nothing but this value is equal to how much we are getting? This value is equal to 4. This value is equal to 4 only. It means look at this one, we are converting this one is in the form of a coins point of view is nothing but look at this one, these are belonging to value only. So look at this one, this is belonging to value only. Value is nothing but how much we got? 7 unit value is equal to we got 35. 1 unit is nothing but how much we got? 5 only. But 5 only is nothing but look at this one, 25 paisa coins is equal to 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20 is nothing but worth value is 20 plus 10 plus 5 here. But question they are asking to find out that how many kinds of each type are there. Coins point of view is nothing but total number of 1 rupee coin is equal to 5 into 2. 1 is 1 rupee, 1 require is nothing but 20 coins only. Here we are getting this value is equal 10 into 2 is nothing but 20 coins. Here we are getting that this value is equal to 5 4 ja 20 coins only. Each type coin is equal to how many coins are there here? 20 coins only. They are asking, they are not asking to find out the total coins. If they are asking to find out the total coins is nothing but 20 plus 20 plus 20 is equal to how many coins are there? 60 coins. But the question they have given that how many coins of each type they are asking. Each type is nothing but 21 rupee, 20 50 paisa, 20 25 paisa coins are there. So this is one of the important question. Always you need to focus that how to work out this one is very, very important one. Now look at this one, 20 coins is the right answer. Now check out that next question. The average of 4 consecutive even number is 27. The largest of this number. Whenever a question is given an average point of view, always you need to remember that average is nothing but sum of the terms divisible by number of terms. That thing you should remember. For example, most of the people trying to work out in this way, difference between any two numbers is equals to any two consecutive even number is 2. In this way, they need to solve x plus 2, x plus 4, next one is x plus 6. Sum of the terms divisible by number of terms is nothing but average. Average is nothing but 27 into 4. So look at this one, 4x plus total value is equal to 12. 4 7 are 28, 4 2 are 8 is nothing but 102. 4x is equal to 108 minus 12 is nothing but how much we are getting? 96. Now x is equal to 96 divisible by 4 is nothing but 4 2 are 4 4 are 16. So look at this one, total value is equal to, they have given that 108. Now x value is equal to 24. Largest of this number is nothing but this is 26. This is equals to how much? 28. Next one is equal to 30. So largest of these is nothing but which one is there? 30. But never work out in this way in the examination. This is traditional approach. Though we are getting traditional approach in 1 minute, better you can work out with the shortcut methods. That thing you need to remember. Look at this one, how to work out this one in the with the help of shortcut. We need to work out. Look at this one. For example, if I want to work out with the if I want to work out this one with a shortcut method, look at this one. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 I have given. Average of the numbers is nothing but middle number. Middle number is nothing but this value 27 they have given. So average of the number is nothing but between these two, 2 and 3. So before 27 is nothing but this is 28, right? For example, this value is nothing but how much we are getting? This value is equal to 29. Sorry, this value is equal to 20. 27 is nothing but, look at this one, in previous question we got this value is equal to, previous value is this value is equal to 26, this value is equal to 28. Look at this one, between these two is nothing but 26 plus 28 divisible by 2 is nothing but how much we are getting? 54 by 2 is nothing but 27 only. No need to check this one. This value is 26 is nothing but before value 24. 28 after, next one is nothing but after this one, two differences existed. So largest of these two is nothing but which is existed? Fourth position, 30 is the right answer. Never work out with the help of x value in the examination. Always you need to focus with the shortcut methods only. So this is important. Okay, clear everyone? So just comment everyone, so whether you are able to understanding or not. So fast. Next one, they have given that the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. So look at this one. They have given that 1 by 2 is to 1 by 2 is to, next one is 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4 they have given. Look at this one. Whenever a question is given, always you need to focus that you need to convert this one into proper ratio. So already 2 is existed, otherwise you can work out with LCM method also. LCM of 2, 3, 4. So you can work out this one. 2, 3, 4 is nothing but 2, 1 ja 2, 3 ja 2, 2 ja. Next one is 1 ja, next 3, 1 ja. Next one is 3, 1 ja, 3, 1 ja, next one. So 2 into 2 into 3 is nothing but 12. But never work out all these things in the examination. Never work out in this way. Better you can write down that already 2 is existed means remaining value 3 into 4 numerator you can write down. 3 is already existed means 2 into 4. 4 is already existed means 2 into 3. Now you can cancel 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Now ratio is equal to 6 is to 4 is to 3. Perimeter of the ratio, perimeter of the triangle is nothing but outer boundaries. Outer boundaries is nothing but, look at this one, 6 plus 4 plus 3 is nothing but 13 is the length value. So 13 unit value 52, 1 unit value is equal to 4. Now you can multiply here, 6 4 is 24, 4 4 is 16, 4 3 is 12. Now the question they are asking to find out that the length of the smallest one. So among these three, which one is the smallest one? 12 is the smallest one. So our answer is 12 is the right answer. This thing you need to remember. Perimeter is nothing but outer boundaries. Outer boundaries is nothing but, look at this one, this is one, this one, this one, this one is nothing. Consider as a perimeter of the triangle. So this thing you need to remember. Very simple one, but very, very important for all the competitive exam, whatever it may be. So whatever may be the examination, definitely at least 1 or 2 questions they are asking based on only ratios only. Ratio and proportion, one of the important arithmetic chapter in the examination. That thing you need to remember. Sorry, clear everyone? Next one. Next question, they have given that this is belonging to odd one out. Odd one is nothing but among the given 4 option, 3 of them should be equal into one logical based one and one is different one. That different one is considered as our answer. Look at this one. In the following question, group 3 irrelated words are given. Choose a word that the given alternative that belonging to the same group. Pias, gram, pulses are belonging to all of them, are this is equals to pulses only, Pias, gram and pulses. Now you need to check that beans, coconut, rice and barley. Coconut is belonging to oil farming, so this is not belonging to peas and gram and next vachesi pulses. So rice is also belonging to other one. So barley is also belonging to a different one. No, this belonging to beans only. So beans is belonging to gram, pulses and pias. So that is the right answer. So whenever a question, sometimes they may give you directly 4 options they will give you. We need to choose that which one is the different one. So here they have given that 3 already, the 3 words they have given. We need to check that which of the following 4 options is belonging to those 3. Those 3 is nothing but beans is belonging to those 3. Remaining 3 is not related, so those are irrelated. In the question also they have given that irrelated words. So that thing you need to remember. So very simple one, but important one. You need to focus on this way. Next one. Look at this one. Next question they have given that writing all the integers from 1 to 300. How many times the digit is 1 is used? Very important one, but always you need to focus how to work out this one. So whenever a question is given between 1 to 100, always you need to remember that between 1 to 100, any digit, minimum number of times repeated is 20. Minimum number of repeated 20. Next coming to 100 to next one is equals to 200, also 20. But 200 to 300 is also 20. But the question they are asking to find out that, so 1 is how many times repeated. 1 is how many times repeated is nothing but, look at this one. So except these two, from 100 to 199, look at this one, from 100 to 199, how many times repeated means 100 times repeated. Look at this one, no need to calculate this value. For example, if they are asking to find out that 5 how many times repeated means 1 to 120, 200 to 100 to 220, 200 to 300 also 25. But they are asking to find out that 1 is nothing but unit digit as well as a double digit value. So 1 to 99, so 100 to 199, 200 to 300 in this way. But the question they are asking to find out that 1 is nothing but 1 in 100 position, 1 is 100 position, how many times repeated? 100 times repeated. Already the question they are asking to find out that, look at this one, how to check this one is, for example, 1 to 100 is nothing but unit digit value 1, next one is 11, next one is 21, next one 31, 41, 51, next is 61, 71, next one is equals to 81, 91. Look at this one, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Unit digit point of view. For example, 10 digit point of view is nothing but 10. Next one is 11. Next is 12, 13, 14. Next one is 15. next one is 16, next one is 17, next one is 18, next one is 19, next one is 19, up to 19 you can work out. Look at this one here also, how many times here, how many times is nothing but this value is 16, 17, 18, 19. Again we are getting how many times, 10 times. So double digit point of view, every time 1 to 100 is nothing but you need to check that 1 to 99 only. Next one from 100 to 200 is also unit digit point of view and 10 digit point of view also. Unit digit is nothing but look at this one 101, next వచ్చేసి 201, next వచ్చేసి 301, next వచ్చేసి 401, 501, next వచ్చేసి 601, 701, 801, next వచ్చేసి 901, next వచ్చేసి already completed how many times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Next one is equal to this value is equal to how many times, so 101, 201, 301, 401, 501, 601, 701, 801 and 901. So look at this one, this value is equal to 900 point of view, not they are not asking here, only this value is equals to consider as a unit digit value. Unit digit value is nothing but 201. Next one ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే you need to focus that 201. Next one you need to focus that 211. అంటే this value is equal to again this value is equal to 221. Next one is 231. Next one is 241. Next one is 251. Next one is 261. Next one is 271. Next one is 281. Next one is 291. Look at this one 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. For example, same manner, if I work out with the 10 digit value, 211, next వచ్చేసి 211 after, next one is equals to, this value can be written in this way. So 211 after, here 2 times repeated, only one time one time we are asking here. So 210 after 211, next one is 212, 213, next one is 214, next one is 215, next one 216, next one 217, next one 218, next one is 219. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Again it means same way, unit digit point of a 10 digit point of a 20 times 20 times. Here also from 100 onwards, look at this one 101, so 100, next one 101, next one is equals to, look at this one 102, sorry, this value is equal to 111. Next వచ్చేసి 121, next one is 131, next one 141, 151, 161, 171, next one is 181, 191. Look at this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Next one is 10 digit point of view 111, next వచ్చేసి 111, 112, next one is 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119. Next one, look at this one 1 2 3 110, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So look at this one 10 plus 10, already 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. It means these are belonging to fixed one. Why I am writing this one is, most of the member getting confusion that these are only belonging to 100 digit only, 10 digit only unit digit in that way. Because of that reason I am writing that whenever I started with the double digit value, triple digit value, next one both are belonging to unit digit and 10 digit only. But always you need to remember that no need to write down in this way. Better you can remember that any number from double digit point of view, triple digit point of view, 4 digit point of view, minimum number of 20 times 20 times 20 times. How many times repeated here? 60 times. It means from 1 onwards, 1 is nothing but 100 digit position, 1, next 101, 102, in this way up to how many times, 199 point of view, 100 digit point of view, how many times repeated here? 100. Already 60 plus 100 is nothing but this value is equal to how much here? 160. So answer is equals to 160 is the right answer. So look at this one, always you need to focus that whenever a question is given in the examination point of view, you need to focus that this one. So okay, so always you need to remember that whenever a question is given, for example 1 to 99, otherwise 1 to 100, so 20 times minimum number repeated. For example for 100 to 200, 100 to 200 minimum 20 times, next 200 to 300 minimum 20 times. This thing you need to remember. After that one you need to check that which one they are asking. One unit, one digit is nothing but you need to focus that From 100 to 200 point of between 100 to 199 is nothing but, so 100th position is nothing but 100 to up to 199 point of view. Here we are getting 100 times repeated. 100 times repeated, already 60 times here. 100 times is nothing but total how much here? 160. No need to work out whatever we have discussed till now basics point of view. Those things are we will cover in the examination or in the classroom session only. But in the examination point of view, minimum number of times repeated any question 20. That thing you should remember. This is very important. So directly we are getting questions even
20 times
any number minimum, whether it is 6 number, whether it is 5 number, whether it is 4 number, whatever it may be. Because of that reason I have written all those things. Look at this one. For example, again I am writing here. For example, if I take one value, 1 is nothing but, look at this one, in point of view 1, next one is 11, next one is 21, next one 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91. Look at this one. 1 is nothing but 0, 1 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. This is belonging to unit digit value. For example, if I consider 10 digit value, again here, this value is equal to 10, 11. But already we have covered only here unit digit value, not 10 digit value. 10 digit value 1. Next one is equal to this value 12. Next one 13, 14, 15. Next one 16, 17, 18. Next one is 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So again we are getting 10. Based on only unit digit and 10 digit value, we are getting 20 times. Remaining they are asking based on 100 digit position. From 100 digit position is nothing but 100 to up to 199, number of times repeated is equal to 100. Next one, same value, again 201 also. From 200 to 300 also, minimum number of times 20. From 100 to 200, from 1 to 100 also 20. From 200 to 320, again 100 to 200 also, unit digit and 20 times repeated. Unit digit and 10 digit. Here we are directly calculating 100 digit position. 100 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. So these things you need to remember. Even in 2016 also, UPSC preliminary, they have given directly how many times 3 repeated from 1 to 100. So directly you need to remember 20, that thing you need to remember. No need to write on each and every time here. Okay, right. Coming to next question, look at this one. Next question, they are asking to find out that 5 men or 9 women can finish a piece of work in 19 days. 3 men and 6 women can do the same work. So look at this one, 5 men equal to 9 women. No need to work out this one in the form of that is equals to based on formula method. Formula method, it will take more time. It is nothing but everyday work we need to calculate. Based on that, men capacity is equal to 1 by 5 into 19 in this way. Directly you can work out this one is equal to total work is equals to 5 into 9 into 19 divisible by, initially 5 men have existed, later 9 women. Next, coming to right now we are getting 3 men and 6 women. So difference between these two is equal 9 3s is equal to 27, 6 5s is equal to 30. How much we are getting? This value is equal to 57. You can write down 19 into 5s. Next వచ్చేసి 3 3s are 9. So how many days they are taking? 15 days is the right answer. That's it. This is the simple shortcut method. For example, if you want to work out this one in the form of method based one, it will take almost 5 minutes to 10 minutes, because you need to work out that 5 men capability, 9 women capability, both are same. Based on that one, everyday work is equal to 1 by 19. Now men is equal to 1 by 5 into 19 and women is equal to 1 by 9 into 19 in this way. This is shortcut method. But coming to, they are asking to find out 3 men and is nothing but both are together working 9 women. So men capability is equal to men into how much we are getting 5 into 19. Women we are getting 1 by 9 into 19 we are getting. For example, if I take common value 19 common, so 1 by 19. Now look at this one. This value is equal to 3 by 5. Next one is equal to 9 by 9. So if I cancel these two, otherwise directly can multiply also. 9 into 9 is nothing but get cancelled. Now we need to find out that this value is equals to how much we are getting. So 3 by 5 plus 1 is nothing but 5 1 ja 5. plus 1 is nothing but 8 by 5. 8 by 5 is nothing but how much we are getting. This value is equal to 19 into 5. In this way, you need to find out. But this is one day work only. We need to work out total work based on that one. But better you can approach in this way. So this is not going to be the effective method for competitive exam. Better you can work out this way. You need to initially 5 members, right now 3. Initially 9 members, right now 6. Cross product method, 3 9s are 5 6 are 30. Some value is equal to 57. If I cancel this one, 5 3s are 15 days is the right answer. That's it. So in the examination point of while solving any arithmetic question, there are two approaches. One is process based method and shortcut method. But for competitive exam, you need to focus on shortcut methods only. Definitely you need to work out based on that one. Otherwise it will take more time in the competitive examination. Now look at this one. Next question is belonging to also, this question is belonging to coding and decoding. A is equal to 26, sun is equal to 27, cat is equal to how much? A26 is nothing but actually A place value is equal to 1. So in definition point of view, we will discuss one definition is opposite pair. Opposite pair is nothing but opposite pair value can be considered with the sum of the place value of any two alphabet must be 27 is considered as opposite. For example, A place value is 1, but actually opposite is nothing but where whatever the place values we are remembering, those place values is belonging to left hand only. For example, in the question they are asking to find out that which alphabet is first position from right hand is nothing but from right hand point of view, Z is the right hand value. So we know very well that A2 up to X, Y, Z is nothing but from right side Z is the first position, A is the last position. Sum of these two is considered as a 27 means opposite pair. Opposite is nothing but A opposite is Z. So A opposite Z is nothing but look at this one. The question they have given that A is equal to 26 means A opposite value Z, Z place value is 26. Now we need to write down that S opposite is H, U opposite is F, N opposite is M. For example, if I write these place values, so look at this one, M place value is 13 is nothing but 6 plus 8 is equal to 14, 14 plus 13 is equal to how much we are getting 27. In the same manner, first you can write out that C opposite X, A opposite is Z, T opposite is this value is equal to G. I will explain in these how to remember these things in examination point of in classroom session. Directly you can write down that C opposite X is nothing but 24, Z is equal to 26, Z place G place value is 7. Sum of these two is 50 plus 7 is equal to 57 is the right answer. So our answer is 57 is the right answer. So this is also belonging to number based coding and decoding. So in the examination point of view, most of the question in law point of other competitive exams, so they are giving one is letter, second one is number, third one is analysis only. So best thing you need to remember that whenever a question is given in the examination point of view, that two alphabet point of view, you can work out with the help of place value only. So always you need to focus that how to remember place value also I will explain, but better you can work out with this way. So next question is, look at this one, shift to point of view. We got some other questions. This is belonging to series based questions. Look at this one series they have given the 3 comma 5 comma 13 comma 43 comma 177. If a series suddenly raised from double digit to triple digit, first thing you need to focus on multiplication only. That thing you should remember. For example, look at this one question they have given that. First question they have given that. Look at this one. First question they have given that. Look at this one 3 comma 3 comma 5 comma 13 comma 43 comma 177 comma dash. Look at this one. How to solve this one is, look at this one. This can be written in the form of 3 1 ja 3 plus 2 is equal to how much we are getting 5. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 3 is equal to how much we are getting 13. 13 into 3 is equal to 39. 39 plus 4 is equal to 43. Look at this one. Multiplicative factor is 1. Additive factor is 2. Multiplicative factor is 2. Additive factor is 3. Multiplicative factor is 3. Additive factor is 4. For example, next thing must be 1, 2, 3 is nothing but next multiplicative factor is 4. Additive factor 2, 3, 4 is nothing but next one must be 5. No need to check that whether it is getting correct answer or not. Directly you can work out that 4 after next multiplicative factor is 5, additive factor is 6. Best thing you can work out here only multiply and addition with the only unit digit value. 5 7 ja 35, 35 plus 6 is equal to 41. Unit digit value must be end with 1. How many options were end with 1 is nothing but only one option. This is the right answer. No need to multiply full length answer here. Look at this one. Most of the mathematics students are doing the same mistake here. So directly they will multiply full length question 177 into 5. Later they are adding 6. It will take more time. Sometimes you may get wrong answers also because of hurry, because of tension also. Better you can work out only unit digit value is 7. 7 5 are 35 plus 6 is nothing but 41. So how many options were started with 1 here? Only first option. That is the right answer. In that way you need to remember. So always you need to focus that whenever a question is given in the examination point of view, how to work out in the examination is very, very important one. Compare with how to remember this one. So always you need to focus that one. Next question is belonging to also series based. This is letter based series. In the examination point of series based and also they will give you, there may be a chance of letter based, number based and continuous also. In the examination point of view, if a question is given based on letter based, always you can work out with the help of place values. Look at this one. First place value, E place value 5. Next one, G place value 7. I place value 9. Next one is 13. Look at this one. 5 is odd number. 7 odd number. 9 odd number. Next one in between 9 and 13. One more odd number is 11. 11 place value is K. Now you need to check that how many options were started with the K. Look at this one. First and second one cancel. Only leftover place values are only third and fourth option is existed. Now you need to focus that compare these two KL, which one is different one, third position is different one. Now you can work out with the third position. Third position here is 6, this one is 8, this one is 10. 6 is even number, 8 is even number, 10 even number. Later this position no need to work out because both are same here. Next after 10, next even number is 12. So third position must be L only. So how many options are started with the third position K? First position K, last third position is L is nothing but only fourth option. This is the right answer. So in the examination point of view, you can work out in this way. So most of the people are working with this question with the help of umbrella based question. Umbrella is nothing but you need to work out 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 2 in that way. It will take more time. Better you can work out only pen free methods. 5 7 9 is nothing but odd numbers. Next odd number is 11. Now you need to check that K place value 11. King is nothing but 11. How many options were started with 11? K. So two options. Now you need to compare these two. Both the first and second position are occupied with KL only. Now you need to work out, check that third position is different one. Now you can only check with the third position which one must be existed. So based on that one we are getting fourth option is the right answer. That thing you should remember. Next one you need to work out in this way. Look at this one. Next one is, look at this one. Next one is, this question is belonging to E, G, H, J, K, M. K, M is coded as fill. Then how will be coded as E, G, D, F, D, F, K, M. Look at this one. Whenever a question is given in the examination point of view, this is belonging to coding and decoding. So in word point of view, how many alphabets are there? Fill value, we have 4 alphabet. But coding point of view, how many alphabets are existed? 3 plus 3 plus 2 is nothing but 8. It means for question point of view, each and every alphabet they are applying two logics, because here we have only 4 alphabets. Coding point of 8 is nothing but for every alphabet we are applying two logics. How we are working? Look at this one. F is coded with 2 alphabet is nothing but E and G. F before is E, F after is G here. They are writing that each and every alphabet before and after alphabets they are writing. Look at this one. E and G is nothing but in between E and G which alphabet is existed? F. How many options were started with F here? Only 2 options are started with F. Next one, between D and F which alphabet is existed? E. Between D and F which alphabet is existed? Again E only. So how many options are started with F, E, E? Only second option. That is the right answer. That's it. So always you need to learn that in the classroom point of view, how many ways we need to discuss each and every topic, that is very very important one. But in the examination point of view, immediately you need to retrieve that which logic is existed aptly for this one. Look at this one. Word point of view, they have given only 4-letter word, but all coding point of view, logic point of view, they have given 8 means. Directly you need to remember that, okay, for every alphabet they are applying only two logics. Based on that one, 4 double is 8 is equal to 4 double 2 is equal to 8 here. So in the same manner, we need to work out that between these two, which one is existed. Based on that one, you need to work out here. These are very simple one, but very important one. So always you need to focus that whenever you are attempting any examination, whatever it may be, whether it is job oriented or for study oriented, always you need to focus that whatever the topics are easy, that thing you need to focus, and definitely you can attempt rightly. If at all you have done anything wrong, definitely your rank goes to lakhs of position backward direction. So always easy things matters for every examination. If you work out easy thing very accurately and correctly, definitely you are in first positions. That thing you should remember. Next one, look at this one. In certain code language, 15789 is coded as XTZAL. Next to 2346 is coded as NPSU. What is the code for 23549? In the examination point of view, analysis coding and decoding, we have two types of codings. That the one is directly analyzed question, one more is logically analyzed question. Directly analyzed is nothing but, for example, A is coded for directly analysis is nothing but, look at this one, directly analysis is nothing but directly you can assign the value. So A code for 8. Now you need to check that here this value is equals to a code is equal to 8 is nothing but between these two, which one is common here? 2346 is NPSU. Next one XTZL. No number is common here. Now directly they are asking that 2345. Look at this one. 2 is coded for which alphabet is here? N. Now 2 is also N here. How many options were started with N here? Directly you can cancel only D option. Now check that 3. So 3 is existed, this position 3 is coded for P. Now you can directly write down the directly analysis NP. How many options were started with NP? Next, only 2 options. Now look at this one, 5. Where is 5 is existed here? 5 directly you can analyze here. 5 code is equal to T. So how many options were started with NPT? Means 2 options. Now look at this one more is 4. 4 is existed here. 4 code for S. So directly you can write down this value is equal to NPTS. How many options were started with NPTS? Only first option, that is the right answer. So in the examination point of view, coding and decoding point of view, every time in last set point of view, they are giving only direct analysis questions only, not logically thinking analysis questions till now. But we will discuss both the terms in a classroom point of view. How to work out direct analysis, how to work out logical analysis. Both are very important one. But till now in last set point of view, directly coding, directly analysis, coding and decoding are giving. So these are very important and very easy one. That thing you should remember. Next one, coming to next question, they are giving that, look at this one, next question. We need to work out that B is the only child of C's grandfather's only daughter. Then how is C father related to B? This is belonging to blood relation. So blood relation point of view, even Telugu medium students also, you need to work out with the help of English medium content only, because Telugu translation sometimes we may get wrong also. But in the examination directly they will mention in instruction, based on English only we are awarding marks. That thing you should remember. So look at this one. B is the only child of C's grandfather's only daughter. Only daughter is nothing but not belonging to single child mothers. Only daughter is nothing but some other child also existed, those are belonging to completely opposite gender. Daughter is nothing but this is equal to female gender, other persons considered as a male gender. I will discuss all those things in blood relation. So B is the only child of C's grandfather is nothing but father, otherwise mother, father, whatever it may be. Only child. Grandfather is nothing but you can write down place for male point of we can work out place. I will explain all those things in classroom session. Only daughter is nothing but again we are getting here. only daughter. This is called B is the only child of C's grandfather's only child. So only child is nothing but, look at this one, both are siblings here. Siblings is nothing but children of the same parents. How is C's father related to B? C's mother is existed. C's father is related to B is nothing but, again we are getting father only. Children of same parents is nothing but sibling only. Sibling is nothing but, again both are belonging to these two persons only. Unknown terms, for example, C and B are neutral terms. Directly don't write that plus minus here. If at all they mention that names, for example Trinath, Bharat, otherwise Priya, Priyanka, in that way, that thing you should remember that those belonging to male and female gender. Whenever a question is given ABCD point of view, always you need to remember that neutral gender. So neutral gender is nothing but, we don't know if C is belonging to female or male, B is also female or male. They are not asking here. Directly they are asking that C's father is belonging to, so look at this, children of same parents is nothing but, so he is belonging to B also father. So B father is nothing but, look at this one, our answer is equal to father is the right answer. That thing you should remember. I will explain all those things, how to work out this one in the examination point of view. So better you can remember this. So look at this one, which one they have given answer? Maternal uncle. B is the only child of C's grandfather's only daughter. How is C's father related to B? Look at this one. Question they are asking to, B is the only child of C's grandfather's only daughter is nothing but, in this way. So B is the only child of C's grandfather's only daughter is nothing but, only child is nothing but in this. Okay, sorry. Only child is nothing but no other person here. So here only child is nothing but only one child is existed, not female or male here. So look at this one. Here we are getting two childrens. Only child is nothing but single parent only. Single parent is nothing but, this person we need to work out in two ways. One is, look at this one is C father, next one is equals to this in this way. Next again this value is nothing but, here we are getting two children. For example, only children is nothing but, look at this one more child is existed is nothing but, look at this one, just now we discussed that only daughter is nothing but, don't think that only child here. These belonging to minus is nothing but, definitely you need to take that this person must be equals to plus here. Now look at this one, this person is belonging to this person only. So look at this one, P is existed for only child, only daughter, son, or next one is called only daughter here. Look at this one, B is the only. Look at this one, how is C's father related to B is nothing but B mother, mother brother is nothing but maternal uncle. Sorry, this is belonging to maternal uncle. So while we are reading this one, we forgot to read only child here. Because of that reason, we have taken this answer, but this is wrong answer. Because they have given only child is nothing but only one person is existed, but here we are getting two persons. Because of that reason, this is wrong one. This is right answer. So maternal uncle is the right answer. Good question, but don't forget to read these things, especially while we are working with blood relation point of view. Words are very, very important one. Only, exactly. In that way, they will give you. So based on that one, we need to work out. In Telugu also, they have given ekaika. So both are very good. Good question is nothing but, whenever a question is given in the examination point of good or not, good bad is not existed, but wording is very, very important one. So most of the people doing common mistake is, without reading complete question, they are working for answers. In that way, they are getting wrong answers. That thing you should remember. Kumar walked 5 meters towards north, took a left turn and walked for 10 meters. He then took right and walked for 20. Again took right and walked 10. So no need to work out with the help of diagram method. Directly I will explain shortcut. Kumar walked north point of 5 kilometers. Took left. North left is nothing but west. Again walked for 10 meters. He then took right. Right is nothing but west to right is nothing but north only. Walked 20. Again right is nothing but right. North right is nothing but east. How many kilometers? 10 here. East and west is one group, north and south is equal to one group. North and south is existed, you can take it minus value. North is nothing but plus value. Difference between the plus is nothing but north is nothing but 25. East west is nothing but opposite direction. Opposite direction is nothing but difference you need to take. So 0 is nothing but 25 square plus 0 square under root is nothing but which value we are getting? 25 only. So how far is he from the value is nothing but 25. So north is existed is nothing but north. So no other direction is existed. You can work out with the help of shortcut here. Don't draw with the diagrams. Diagram method, it will take more time. Better you can work out with the shortcut methods. This thing you need to remember. Clear for everyone? Next one, look at this one. Next question is the minutes and second hand of a clock 25 minutes apart. What will be the angle formed between them? So in the clock's point of view, in the examination, especially while we are working with the reasoning point of view, clocks and calendar is very, very important one. So the minute and second hand of a clock are 25 minutes apart. Look at this one. In the examination point of view, we need to focus that for every 1 minute, hour hand is making an angle of 1/2. Minute hand is making one, for every 1 minute is equal to minute hand makes an angle of 6 degrees. Next hour hand, second hand makes an angle of how many degrees? 360 degrees for every 1 minute. So between these two, they are comparing with only minute and second hand. Minute and second hand is nothing but you need to consider only these two. So no need to work out with the hour hand. Look at this one, 6 is nothing but difference between these two is equal to how much here? 6 into 6 is nothing but 60. Now they are asking to find out that difference between these two is nothing but how much here? Difference between these two is nothing but what is the angle they are asking. Minute point of view, always you need to focus that for every 1 minute hour hand makes an angle of half degree. Look at this one, half degree. Minute point of view, for every minute hand makes an angle of 6 degrees. For every 1 minute second hand makes an angle of 360 degrees. This thing you need to remember. I will discuss how to write, how we are working with this one in the classroom session. But better you need to remember that in 25 minutes apart from each other, what will be the angle between them is nothing but look at this one. Both are belonging to 25 minutes apart from each other, 25 minutes apart from each other. 25 minutes apart from each other, what is the angle between them is nothing but if the minute and second hand of the clock are 25 minutes apart from each other, they have given. So 25 minutes, if I take common, 6 degrees and 360 degrees between the answer here. So between these two is nothing but what is the angle we are getting here. So for example, if I take 6 degrees is nothing but how much we are getting, this value is equal to 150 degrees there. Look at this one, this value is equal to so question point of view, look at this one, minute hand and hour hand of a clock. So 25 minutes apart is nothing but look at this one. So hour hand point of view half degree, minute hand point of view 6 degrees, second hand point of view for every 1 minute is equal to 360 degrees. That thing you need to remember. But what will be the angle formed between them is nothing but focus on 6 degrees only. 6 degrees is nothing but look at this one. For every 1 minute, minute hand makes an angle of 6 degrees, which means directly you can multiply with the 6 into 25 is nothing but how much we are getting. 150 degrees is the right answer. So this is the right answer. So I will explain all these things, how to remember this one. So why we are taking half degree, why we are taking 6 degrees, why we are taking 360 degrees in the classroom session. So better you can work out in this way. Next one is, look at this one. Next question they have given that based on this one is equals to ABC are sitting on a bench. In sitting arrangement point of view, most of the question they are asking based on row based, one more is circular based. So in row based point of view, always you need to remember that left means it doesn't mean that immediate left. Next one is right means it doesn't mean that immediate right. One thing you need to remember. Always you need to focus that all of them are facing towards north only. Whenever we are focusing on north point of view, left means you need to work out with the left only, right means right only. That thing you should remember. Look at this one. A, B, C, D are sitting on a bench. A is sitting next to B. A is sitting next to B is nothing but total members is equal to 5 here. A is next to B is nothing but there may be a chance of AB, otherwise BA. Don't write that A only left, B only right in that way. Always you need to remember that possibility is equal to 2 existed here. Next one is C is next to D. There may be a chance of CD, otherwise DC. So that thing you need to remember. D is not sitting with E. It means D and E should not sit with each other, means there is no possibility of DE or ED, whatever it may be. Next one is with E, who is on the left end of the bench. D is not sitting on the bench, and who is left end is nothing but this is left end value, this is right end value. D is on the left end bench is nothing but D must be seated here. So next must be, after this one, just now we discussed that both CD or DC are sitting together is nothing but next position must be C here. Now coming to C on the second position from the right. C on the second position from the right is nothing but D is not sitting with E. Okay, E is the second position. Okay, sorry. E who is sitting in the left position is nothing but E must be seated here. C on the second position from the right. Second position from the right is nothing but C position must be existed here. In between these two, CD is one more is existed. CD must be existed here. Next one more thing is, look at this one. A is to the right of B. A is to the right of B is nothing but you need to work out this one, not for this one, because right side of B is existed for A only. So definitely BA must be existed here. Now the question are asking to A and C are sitting together. A and C are sitting together. In which position A is sitting? Which position is nothing but, look at this one. There is a possibility of B and C. So B and C is correct. B and D is wrong. B and D wrong, and C and E is also wrong here. So directly you can check with the help of options. So there may be a chance of asking a question from left hand position, right hand position, middle position in that way, but directly they have given that between B and C. So with the help of options you can work out the answer. Don't write that whatever you know the logic here. Always you need to focus that based on the options you need to check that. That thing you should remember. Next one, look at this one. Next one they are asking to find out based on this is equals to profit and loss based question. Look at this one. The cost of 100 pencils is equal to selling price of 16 pencil. Equal to is nothing but cost of 100 CP of 100 pencils is equal to 60 of SP. Now relation between these two is equal to CP by SP is equal to 60 by 100. 60 by 100 is nothing but 0. 2 3s are 2 5s are. It means 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is nothing but 3 is to 5. It means I'm buying 3 rupees a pencil and selling at 5 rupees is nothing but how much profit we are getting 2. So based on 2 is not, based on 3 I am getting 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into 100 is nothing but how much we are getting 66. 2 by 3 percentage profit is the right answer. So C, second one is the right answer. So whenever a question is given, equal is nothing but we need to equate with the equal point of view. 100 CP is equal to 60 SP is nothing but we need to make it the help of ratio. How much ratio we are getting here? 3 is to 5. It means I am buying a pencil at 3 rupees, selling it at 5 rupees is nothing but difference between these two is nothing but 2. Based on that one, so cost price, always you need to calculate the profit percentage based on only cost price. But intentionally in the examination point of view, sometimes they may ask you to find out that profit on based on selling price also. But by default, you can work out with the help of cost price only. That thing you should remember. Next question we can work out with the help of next one is this is equal to based on how what which question they have given. The product of two numbers is equal to 9375 and the quotient when the larger one is divisible by the smaller is 15, the sum of the numbers they are asking. Look at this one. Product of two numbers is equal to, for example, if I take x into y is equal to 9375 and the quotient, product of two number and the quotient 937 and the quotient, when the larger one is divisible by the smaller is 15. Larger one is definitely divisible by smaller one is 15, the sum of the two numbers they are asking. So these questions we can work out with the help of that is equal to elimination method also. Look at this one. For example, a number is given, the larger one is nothing but, for example, x we need to take, divided by the smaller one is 15, divided by the smaller one is 15 is nothing but, so whenever I am dividing this number, I am getting 15 as the quotient value. 15 is the quotient is nothing but, look at this one, 15 times is nothing but, definitely we are getting 0 as the remainder. 0 as the remainder is nothing but, definitely we need to work out that this can be written in the form of x into 15x must be is equals to 9375. In this way you need to remember. Look at this one, the quotient when the larger one divided by the smaller is 15 is nothing but, for example, if I consider x as the larger one, y is the smaller value, it means 15 times if I write down this directly, we are getting 0 as the remainder. It means in x position directly you can write down that 15y also. Otherwise, if I take x as a divisor value, y as a dividend value, so 15 into x is nothing but, this can be written in the form of 15x square 9375. So 15 6 ja 30. 15 6 ja 90. Next one is 15 2 ja. Next one is equal to how much we are getting. Now we are getting this value can be written in the form of x square is equal to 9375 divisible by 15, right? Now look at this one, x square is equal to 15 6 ja. 15 6 ja is equal to 90. Next one is equal to 3 is nothing but, you can write down this value is equal to 37 we are getting. 37 is nothing but how much we are getting, 37 is nothing but 15 2 ja, how much we are getting, 30. Next one is equal to 75 is nothing but 15 5 ja is equal to 75. How much we are getting, x square is equal to 625 is nothing but, x value is equal to how much we are getting, 25. Now the question are asking to find out that sum of the two numbers. So look at this one, if one number is 25, other number must be 25 into 15 times, because just now we discussed that 15x here, 15x is nothing but, look at this one, if I take 15 common, 1 plus 15 is nothing but 25 into 16. 25 into 16 is nothing but, unit digit value must be 0. 25 into 8 is nothing but 400. 25 into 8 plus 2 is nothing but 400 is nothing but, look at this one, 16 into 5 is equal to how much we are getting, 16 5 is equal to 80, 16 2 is equal to 32 is nothing but how much we are getting, 400. Directly answer is equal to 400 is the right answer. Now the question here is, you need to remember that this is very important. This is very, very important. The quotient when the larger one is divisible by smaller is 15. Now they are giving that directly quotient value is 15 here. Compare with this one, if one is x here is nothing but, another one must be 15 times of the x value. So this is based on number system based question. So I will discuss how to work out all these things in the examination point of view. Better you can focus in this way. Next one, look at this one. Next question they are asking to find. Last question. Okay. Last question. Look at this one. If today is Sunday, what will be the day after 60 days? So whenever we are working with that is calendar based question, always you need to focus on odd day. Odd day is nothing but a number which is divisible by 7. Number divisible by 7. Remainder is considered as a odd day. One more definition is day after a week is considered as a odd day. Look at this one, whatever the days they have given, directly you can divide with the help of 7. 7 8 are 56. What is the remainder here? 4. Now already Sunday is nothing but, you can calculate with the Sunday after 4. Sunday after Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Answer is equals to Thursday is the right answer. You can work out in this way. So every time in the examination point of view, clocks and calendar is very, very important one. Based on that one, we got one question in previous year question, that too based on very simple one. So directly you can work out with the help of odd day only. Odd day is nothing but remainder value. Based on remainder, we need to calculate. So this is the right answer. Okay, these are belonging to previous year question only. So next session I will start with conceptual questions. Concept is nothing but each and every topic I will discuss with the basic level to high level. High level is nothing but whatever the require is existed for law point of view, I will discuss. Those who want to write down for other competitive exams, I will discuss with some other institution. So not belonging to law set. So always you can work out with only with the bound of subject only, because you need to work out other subjects also, like polity, history, all these things. So based on that one, we will discuss only whatever the require is existed for law. I will discuss only those topics, and whatever the information you need, I will give only for that only. For excess information, I will discuss in other position. Okay, so that's all for today's session. So thank you very much. Is there any doubt regarding this one? You can comment on comment session. Otherwise, you can send directly to Trinath, and I will discuss those things. Okay, thank you, and over to Trinath.
Thank you, sir. So from tomorrow, sir will take the class from 7:30 to 8:30 in the morning, right? So you join at 7:30 Monday to Friday. Okay, so it will be in the English batch. Okay.